1 hour ago, the black hole, Cygnus X1, has been observed in our solar system. We are estimated to only have 30 minutes before we pass the event horizon. To ensure the spirit of America lives on, the President has declared martial law to maintain order in these harrowing times. In addition, we shall enact a mandatory lockdown to ensure the safety of all Americans. Failing to cooperate will result in vendors being shot on sight. In these trying times, we urge you all to remain calm. These last 29 minutes of life should be prosperous despite the circumstance, a testament to the American spirit. The land may be gone, but the dream shall entrench itself in the web of the universe.
Extreme shaking expected in 8 seconds. Take cover under a table or a bed to protect yourself.